Hello, I thought we'd do a bit of a plan with me in my Kinbor weeks. Hello everybody, it's Edwina from my craft orchard. How are you? I have just noticed as I've set this up, right, that this Kinbor weeks is so shiny, whereas this one's not. And I don't know if it's because of the blue, this one's blue and this one's green, or it's a different cover. That's really weird. Anyway, hello. This is my business diary, and I'm not going to show you what's in here, but as you can see, I have 2 of the Kinbor weeks. But I do need to reference this to decide what I'm going to be doing here, so I'm just going to put that over there so you can't see it. Okay, so let me show you how I've been using this. So I've got the yearly, which I haven't done much to, and I've got these. Now I started setting this up just in pencil here as a habit tracker, and as you can see I haven't tracked any habits. I'm really bad at habit tracking. So I think I need a different use for that page. Comment down below, what do you use yours for? I don't know, I might use it as an index, I might still decorate it, I don't know. I'll come back to it, as you do. I have put all of the monthly stickers in, so Clocks Forward, Mother's Day, and I got those from Planner Face. They were good. There's these stickers here. I picked these up from Planner Face. So I've still got a few sort of first day of winter, St David's, Patrick's and that, but I need to find the date out. So that's just tucked in there. So this is January, and these stickers I have from AliExpress, and they came in this 4 seasons journey, and these are like sort of vellum-y, not vellum, they're like pet tape stickers, and there's just all winter scenes and things. Some of them are a bit big for the Kinbor weeks, but I am going to be using them in my journaling and that sort of thing. And this is the winter one, so there's like October's pumpkins, so October, November, sort of December. My theme for January is always snow, which is why we have the snowman and that sort of thing. So I use this as my everyday carry. I better tell you what I actually use it for. So it's everyday carry. This is my personal planner. So all of the information for appointments and that sort of thing all go in here. And then things I have to do for myself. So we're only a few weeks in, so you can't see much. So the first week we were in, I had a go, I got my new Spy Family stencil, which is here, from Hobonichi. So I was having a play with that, with the fish and that, and I got various stickers. Now to be honest, these are most of the winter stickers, the snowy sort of stickers that I've got, as well as that book. I don't tend to have a lot. So I wrote some notes in and things that happened, and then again this week, and I did again. I've decorated. I haven't put a lot in, and the same for that one. In fact, I haven't even filled last week in. So we'll do that. Here we are. This is the week I'm going to do. And sometimes I tend to decorate for a couple of weeks, you know, while I've got all the stickers out. You know, it's not a huge book. By all means to decorate, so I'm gonna decorate that with you, and then we'll fill in a few things. Now I do have this, but I think these are big. This is a bit, yeah, these are big stickers, so they're not gonna have to use them somewhere else. I have these, I have some of this washi tape. So this is like washi strips. They came with loads of like a sticker pack, which I haven't got with me. I wondered whether to use a strip of this I don't care about the actual calendar at the bottom. I tend to put a sticker over it, to be honest. Let's put this at the top. I can put a sticker over that then. Oh, that's pretty. And then let's put this one. Let's put this one at the bottom. There we go. I don't do a lot of decorating. Now I had these from Sparklefish. They had a like a winter stickers pack. What am I looking for? What's the word I'm looking for? Like a pack, a winter pack. So Lois from there. I had these from. Let's look at that. Perfectly covers over the date. Ah, perfect. Now, do I fancy putting that window in as well? Why not? It's a big sticker, but it doesn't matter. What else have I got? So I've got these really big window stickers that I could have put in, but I quite like those. I've got that sort of vibe going on. And let's have that little Let It Snow as well. There we go. There we go. I'm happy with that. Can't use those, got to use those in a different one. So I've got these as well. Can't even remember who I had those from. I just go around picking stuff up, to be honest. Whenever I'm out and about, it's like a 99p sheet. So that's pretty good. I'm quite happy with that. While I'm here, I'm going to decorate this one. Now this goes into, this week, 27th, goes into February, but it's still always cold here in the UK. So I think that'll be quite good. I quite like that one. Yeah, they're in a book and they've all sort of fell out. Skiing. That one's quite nice. Trees. Who doesn't love a tree? Not feeling the mountains. I think I'm just going to go. That one's quite nice. Ooh. Yeah, I think I'm going to use that one. So as you can see, they're all in a book, and I don't know whether, I can't remember if I pulled them out or some of them fell out and I pulled the rest out. They are easier, sort of loose, and this is a 4 Seasons Journey. I don't read Chinese, but like I say, they're off AliExpress, so what I'll do is I will link them down below if you like these. And I think I'm going to put that into there, and it's just a sheet with the pet sticker on it. I've also got one with loads of trees on, which I think is the spring one. I think, and next time I do an AliExpress order, which isn't going to be for a while, I have to say, I'm probably going to get the other two, so I've then got all 4 seasons. I'm pulling the deer up as well. So how is your new year going? Comment down below, let me know. Have you settled into your planning routine? Have you settled down to decorating your planners? need something up the top now. I don't think I want to go for a large double theme. I do like that sticker. I'm going to have to use it, aren't I? It's as simple as that. I do like it and I'm going to use it. Have you got your yearly plans sorted? Have you started on those projects? Have you made New Year's resolutions? I don't make New Year's resolutions. I make plans for the year, but no resolutions. Not until February. I don't tend to change stuff until then. Lots of reasons. If you've seen any of my quarterly planning videos, you'll know why. And if you do want to know why, then catch out my quarterly planning video at the end of this month, beginning of next, because that's when it'll be coming out. Right, so the next thing I'm going to use is this one, and if you caught my big planner stack video, you'll know that this is my master calendar. This is a campus diary. Again, I'll link it down below. In the front I've put all of the school holidays, so, and then I've planned out each month, and there's some note paper in the back. So which week are we on? 20th. Let's have a look. Look at that. The only thing I've got this week are things I want to do for my craft orchard. So in here I write everything. So stuff I need to do for my job, birthdays, appointments, craft clubby type things. I even wrote in, to start with, before I actually did my content planning was when I was going to post videos and things. Okay, January supply challenge, yeah, I still need to be doing that. Again, that's another video I've started. I did the introduction to this year's supply challenge, so catch that video. I'll link that down below. Plan 21, is that the week to do quarterly one? No, I don't think so. I'll do that the week after. VAT return would have been done by then. Fabulous. Okay, so I want to post a short. Haven't managed to do it yet, but we will do. I've then got a craft club. I've got craft club. I'm going to want to post video. And then I've got filming on the Sunday. It's probably best if I do filming on the Friday, looking at what's happening the week after. Okay, those are the time sensitive things I've got to do. Which I put in, I decorate, and then I put all those time sensitive things in as well. And then from there, when it comes to, once I've done my weekly plan, I will have a look at this and sort of plug in all the other things. So when I'm out and about, I know what's coming up, because the months are full of things that needs to be done and when I'm going to do it, but not necessarily when I'm going to post or anything, because that's all in here. But things that would affect me booking in an appointment goes at the front of this. And then the time sensitive things, so you know, if I don't film, then I could do it Saturday, but ideally I do it on the Friday. I've got craft club appointments. I do need to keep the consistency of my videos. I do need to post them, and I do want to start posting shorts. So then the other thing is schedule my socials. So I'm also on Instagram and Facebook, so I like to post out that I've got a video out. I need to do more on those sites, but I need to plan out really what I'm going to do. Okay, so is there anything from the other days? things I need to be thinking about? Not really. Probably, I've got a bit of back planning to do though. So then this side, this page here, I tend to leave blank like I have here. Here. See, I haven't even decorated last week's. I was that busy. So what I will do, let me show you here. So I made notes of some treatment my dad's got to have. And then I also went for coffee with my sister here, and various things. So what I would do is just write a few notes about what we discussed, or anything I need to remember from these meetings. And then here we went to a new location, so I'll think about that again and just write in anything that I'm thinking, you know, memory keeping, notes, things I need to do. But you know, when I'm out and about, I've got all the notebook pad and note paper at the back for me to scribble down notes or things I want to do. It's still I'm still getting into how to use it best. It's the beginning of the year, haven't sort of got my groove in apart from sitting and decorating. So hopefully, yes, I should be later in the year I could do another bit of an update once I've got into the groove with this planner. But I love this. I had one of these last year, that's why I bought 2 this year, because I love it. Love it. Okay, hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Comment down below, do you have a weeks? Do you have any of the other Kinbor products? Do you do weekly planning, or do you like to decorate the whole month in one go? Do you theme your months? I like to theme mine. January is always snow, silver, snow, snowmen, that sort of thing. And then come February I'll do hearts, but I don't tend to do pink hearts or red hearts. I normally go on the theme of love as opposed to the theme of hearts per se. So yeah, we'll see. I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to do for February yet, but it will come when I get here this week. I'll be having a think about my next set of themes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again. Bye bye.